everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use one of our hero products, the Hangover Hair Elixir. Oh, there we go. So Hangover is a hybrid between a serum and an oil, really good for using as a treatment, so while your hair is wet, hence the get up today, but also on dry hair on the ends to defrizz as well. So I'm going to show you how to use it, but first of all, just a little bit more about it. Really good if your hair is coloured, really good if your hair is feeling dry, especially in the summer. Well, it feels like summer. And really good if you have split ends, so we all haven't been able to get to our hairdressers in a while. So really good to help treat your hair kind of through this period before you can get the chop again. So as I say, you can use it on wet hair, which is what I'm going to show you now. And then later I'll show you how to use it on dry hair as well. So let me just take this towel off. So I washed my hair earlier, and all you simply do is take the lid off. It comes in this gorgeous little hip flask, really nice little gift actually, and you put your finger over the top, and I literally just tip it upside down, and that is about all you're really gonna need. So this is gonna last a long time, long after lockdown anyway. Distribute it over your fingers just like that, and simply from the mids to the ends of your hair, just take it through as evenly as you can, and you will feel that there is still a tiny little bit of moisture on your fingertips, and with that you're just going to go in and rub it right around the ends, and that will help defrizz once you have blow dried. And really it's as simple as that. And what that's going to do is add shine. It's also going to tame frizz, and it's going to make your hair look so glossy and healthy. So all you simply do after that is give it a blow dry, style in whichever way you want, and then I'll show you how to use it on dry hair later. Okay, so Hangover on dry hair then. So very similar to how I applied it on wet hair, the same in fact. One little fingertip is all you need, and you put it around your fingertips, distribute just like that, and then put it wherever you want to make a shine. So here I'm going to do it because I quite like this slicked look. Just don't put too much on around your roots if you have oily hair like I do. And then you're going to see, actually if I take this out and I show you this, this is the sort of shine that you get. Just like that. So instant shine, defrizzes, and gives your hair just a lovely, glossy, beautiful look.